Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, December the 14th, 2021. In this additional, we have 9 puzzles. Half of them I will solve. I've already solved the 3 stars, the 4 stars, so there are 3 puzzles left. The tectonic, I will do this later. The binary and the killer Sudoku. But first, for you, boys and girls, the binary puzzle. Binary puzzle number, let me see which number it will be. 3827. 3827. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row, or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. All right. 4 1s. 4 1s in this row. So let's get started. We have 4 1s here, so the rest are O's. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Okay. Double 1 here, no, there, no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Then between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. And I know between an 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between the between the O with a 1 with 2 empty boxes. I know there are always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, and the fourth one. So this box should be an O. Okay. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. And I told you between an 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1 there. So the first one, second one, third one, and the fourth one. So this box should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between 2 1s comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then. Let me see. I need to compare. I think. Do we have a double O here? Yeah. Almost the same. This one. Overlook this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1, here, no, there, no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here, no, there, no. Double O, here, 1, there, 1. Double 1, here, no, there, no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double O, here, 1, there, 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Finish in 4 minutes. Wow. No comparing. I like this one, yes. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other 2 puzzles. Tectonic with 4 stars, and a killer Sudoku with only 2 given numbers. See you then. Bye bye for now.